Hi everyone, in this tutorial I will show you how to simulate random walk of molecules using a Monte Carlo approach in Excel sheet. For this simulation we need to use a random number generator in the Excel, which is defined by is equal to RAND parenthesis, and this gives a number from 0 to 1. We can also modify this number by saying 1 minus 2 into RAND, which gives a random number between -1 and 1. I say press enter. So now this is a one step in a random direction. So we start from 0 and we say that we double click it and press enter. So it could be minus 0.5, or it could be plus 0.5, it can be -1, or it could be +1. So this is, so we can think of this random number as a step in one particular direction, right? So now if we want to generate multiple step, then what I will do is that I'll copy this formula and then put a plus sign there, and then copy this, paste this formula again. So now I have two steps in a single cell. So I'm adding two random numbers between -1 and 1. So it can go to 2, or it can go to -2, right? So now I can copy this formula again and then press Ctrl V to copy them many times. So this is like molecules with many steps all together. So now molecules taking a step multiple times, and so this will give a position of the molecule after it has taken many steps together in random direction. So now see, right now the position is 7. We can double click and press enter again. Now it's 3. We can double click, press again, and it's -10. So it can go either in negative direction or in positive direction. We can again copy this cell in C column, and now we can have two uh, two simulated values, and we can call the first simulated value as X and second simulated value as Y. So now we can copy this simulated value down to generate as much molecules as you want. So right now if I copy this numbers together and go to around suppose around 600 molecules, then I can plot X versus Y, insert, and say scattered, and then I can delete this thing. And as you can see that if we define origin as the center, or the place where we open the bottle of the perfume, so molecules start diffusing from point 0 and then move in random X and Y direction. So some of the molecules stays at the center, and some of the molecules were able to reach at the farthest distance from the center, which is around 17, and some molecules remain in the center. So this is how we can see that if I double click on any cell and then press enter, then this simulation will give me a different result. So I can have different values or different molecules distribution, two-dimensional distribution